Ever wonder why silver sometimes outperforms gold in certain markets? Understanding past bull runs can show when silver might deliver bigger gains. Silver hasn't always followed gold's path. In fact, during certain metals bull markets, it has outpaced gold's returns by a wide margin. For example, from January 1970 to January 1980, amid double-digit inflation, high unemployment, and geopolitical upheaval, gold increased 1,500%, while silver skyrocketed 2,100%. Later, between 2001 and 2011, another metals bull market fueled by global economic and geopolitical stress saw gold rise roughly 600%, but silver surged nearly 950%. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that silver's combination of industrial demand and price elasticity helps drive these outsized gains. While past performance doesn't guarantee the future, understanding these patterns can inform how much silver you might consider holding in a diversified retirement portfolio. I'll link this guide in the description. This is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like the Silver Scheme Report and Company Integrity Checklist, all designed to give you a clear, informed view before making any investment decisions. If you want to see how silver has historically outpaced gold in bull markets and how that insight can help you plan your retirement, download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle. You can get it for free, and it offers straightforward guidance to help you navigate investing in precious metals. You can find the link in the description.